Hey fellas, I have an unusual tool here. It's a trimmer, Stiga CBS 80DAA, and the problem is just not working. I will try not to break something on my other table because it's not getting to fit. Now I'm trying to turn it on and just nothing happens. So what we can do here, we can disassemble it, and this one was in Stiga service. Customer have this one for 5 years and they told that this is needed for the new controller, but it's discontinued and they can't repair this tool. Okay, now I see that we will have the problem by reaching all the screws here, and of course with the size of the tool. Okay. Let's try to put it like that. Okay, we can see the connections for the controller. They're going to the switch. Let's try to... Okay, I can't find some screws. Okay, I have the screw here. Okay, so definitely we have the motor and yeah, we have the controller here. And why they did it? Maybe it's short or something. Okay, let's find out. I will insert the battery. Okay, the wires from the battery are here's the wire from the battery. They're going here and here, and then they're going to the switch. I'm trying to press the switch and nothing happened here. Okay, let me check. We have a couple of wires for the controller, and I don't believe that the this one's the fat red one goes here to the switch, and the switch is controlling the power when we have the controller here. Really strange. Okay, but we need to open the handle. Okay, I will try to move camera like that. And I believe this is a sticker here. Yeah. Okay, we can see the problem here on the handle. How can I move it? Okay, it seems that if I will unscrew this screw, I will be able to spin the handle. I can even remove it. Okay, now we have our switch. We can see it's corroded. We have the controller here and everything is corroded here. Basically, that's really not good. So I forgot to move the camera. Okay, so we have the corroded switch. We can try to test it. And this one is all corroded. Okay, let's take a multimeter. And we can check for the continuity. We have something here. Okay, the switch is working, so that's a good sign. And we can check, we have the positive here, and yeah. Okay, the bad sign is that we have the corrosion here, and first thing what we can do here, we can try to clean it. And why is worth cleaning? Because it can be that the corrosion giving the short circuit to the controller, and that's why the tool is not working. Of course, the corrosion itself damaged the board and can renew. Okay, you can see the couple of. Okay, we have the one trace, maybe damage. It will be needed to inspect that. Yeah. What I'm using for cleaning here is a propyl alcohol, and it's just making everything cleaner. Basically, okay, this one's a little bit damaged, Okay, let's try to put a battery. I will clean this one. And okay. Okay, so basically you can check where the black wire is going. Moment going to controller unit. Yep, it goes to the controller unit. So first of all, let's try to put the battery in and check if we have some lights. If no, that means we are in a big trouble. With this one, no. We have absolutely nothing. We can try to disconnect the motor, but we still have nothing here. Can check. the damage or something. Nope. So we need to inspect the traces, and I hope that we have problem here, not in this one. Of course, I need to make a little bit more testing here. Okay fellas, for the update, I removed the cooling here and you can see the traces open it, and that's not a really big problem, but when I'm measuring it, I have no voltage here, but I have the voltage here on the wires. So it's the first one and the fourth one, 8 volts. I think the contact here is broken, so I need to maybe solder the wires, and now I will try to disconnect this one. If I don't know if I can do it because it was all coated and not moving now. I will try to move it. If not, I will solder the wires to the pins here, and I hope it will start to work. Okay, I hope you can see it well, because that's not a normal angle during the video. And just flip at the board outside, and we can see that the trace to the button, this one is good, this one is good. The second trace going to the power button is not good, and both traces are damaged. So I will remove the traces, and I have the plug. You can see the pin missing, so I think I will try to take the wires out one by one and put them to the hole. It will be easier for me to connect the wires to the traces, and I don't have the connector like this one, so I will not make video on the soldering because it's really uncomfortable on my table to do that. Okay fellas, we'll try to do the video like that, and as you can see we have some good news. And now I don't have the LED light here, but don't know when it turns on or something, but we have the result. The motor is running. I cannot run it for a long time because the head with the cutting wheel is on my table. But now we have it working, so we need to make everything look nice and solid for the PCB. Okay, now we need to get to the assembly of this beast, and my biggest concern now is that I will not fit right to the handle with the cable and with the controller. The controller goes here, and we can see that the switches are here, so the wires will go like that, and of course the spring, the handle will be like something like that, I think, and the cable will go here. Okay, let's try to check it. Okay. Okay, let's check it, and I'm most afraid that the wires will not be held good by the housing. Okay, let's check. Can we close it now? It was the screw on the housing gap. Okay. And if I could remember, this one's going down over here and through the hole here, and it was the simple small screw. Okay. Seems that we have the handle in place, and thinking how to put it on a better camera angle. Okay, let's press the wires into the groove here and here, and with a big hope that everything will fit nice. Okay, this part looks nice, the bottom one not looks very nice, you will see that. Oh, I forgot about the spring, sorry. And where the spring was to put this one back. The spring was here. Everything be okay. So now trying to manage all the wires in a place. Okay, and I think I will be able to close it. Let's check for the screws here. And the screw goes in. The sticker, we can easily put the sticker with the glue. And okay, now I don't know, this one must be like that or that. We'll see if we have enough length of the cable here. Okay, the motor seems to be here, the controller. Okay fellas, and after a while we have the moment of the two. We have the on switch working, I know the turbo mode or what a shit it is, it works, so I will try to press it, yeah. So nice, it works, that's good. That was hard repair for me, easy repair for electronic enthusiasts or something, but still that's good that the tool is running for you. Press thumbs up if you like videos like that. If you want more content on electronics, let me know, and for now, just bye.